If you want to add an echo effect in CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simple step-by-step method to find the echo sound effect, download it and place it on your timeline so your audio sounds exactly the way you want. This is a great effect for intros, dramatic moments, voiceovers, and creative edits that need a little extra impact. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. If you haven't started yet, create a new project and bring in the video or audio clip you want to edit. Once your media is imported, drag it down to the timeline so you can start working with it. This is important because the echo effect needs to be added where your audio is already placed in the edit. Next, click on the audio track in the timeline. Make sure the audio you want to enhance is selected, because that helps you stay focused on the correct part of the project. If your project has multiple clips, take a second to identify the exact audio layer you want to work with. Now go to the top panel and click Audio. This opens up all the audio tools inside CapCut, including music, sound effects, and other audio options. From there, look at the left menu and click Sound Effects. This is where CapCut stores a variety of built-in effects that you can use to make your video sound more polished and professional. In the search bar, type Echo. CapCut will show you the echo-related sound effects available in the library. Browse the results and choose the echo effect you want. When you find the one that fits your project, click the download icon next to it. CapCut will download the effect first, which only takes a moment. After the download finishes, you'll see a plus icon appear. Click the plus icon to add the echo effect to your timeline. Once it's added, you can position it where you want it to play in your project. If needed, you can preview the audio and adjust the placement until it sounds right. And that's it. You've now added an echo effect in CapCut PC in just a few easy steps. This is a simple trick, but it can make a big difference in the overall feel of your edit. Whether you're editing a YouTube video, a short-form clip, or a voiceover project, echo can add depth and style very quickly. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips, beginner guides, and simple step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.